The following presentation is to demonstrate paver joinery as displayed at the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show 2026. The design brief was to construct a raised garden bed to be installed around the perimeter of a 4x4-meter live music stage with two-tiered height and space between walls to place pot plants. To assist with preparations, the design was refined within 3D modeling software so that the walls met the spacing requirements with minimal cutting of the pavers. As with all paving, the first step in paver joinery is to start with a flat surface. Bluestone basalt was the material of choice as it represents Melbourne's traditional architecture. Paver joinery is a form of drywall masonry, meaning it does not require mortar. This form of construction has benefits of being quick to assemble, does not require drying time, is clean, can easily be modified, and joints will not crack over time with ground movement. Threaded bolts are tightened to clamp the pavers within joint hardware. The joint hardware is compatible with square tube that can be used for cross-member reinforcement. When the holding bolts are tightened under tension, the joint pavers become one rigid panel. What a beautiful day it was to be working in Carlton Gardens, Australia. The pavers are 20 millimeters in thickness. The front pavers are 400 millimeters high, and the back pavers are 600 millimeters high. Paver joint hardware is available in a range of configuration for various joints. See our website for more information on products and how to do paver joinery. The stage was used for live music at the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show, held in autumn at the Carlton Gardens. Renowned for showcasing all things relating to gardening, it's a place where landscape designers and product suppliers meet and exchange ideas and latest industry products. We, the suppliers of Plimloc Hardware, enjoyed the occasion and hope to be back next year.
The